Hi guys, good morning. This is your OVI Master Perry Tapales and welcome to our OVI's Frequently Asked Questions. Good morning everyone. We have important OVI update para sa inyong lahat, especially with regards to our OVI policy activation. In-encode mo ang inyong Silpro product ng April 19, 2024 at 12 noon. Your policy will be activated by April 20, 2024 at exactly 12 noon din. For the expiration naman ng iyong policy, it will expire after a year on the same date by April 20, 2025 at 12 noon din. So huwag kalimutan, be aware, be informed, at share the news about our new policy activation. This is your OVI Master Perry Tapales, and see you more in our frequently asked questions.